everyone, this is Vijay. Welcome to my channel. In previous tutorial I show a registration form, and in today I'll show a animated login form. So let's get started. Open your VS Code and create a file login.html. In login.html, because of we are using similar animation, so registration form to copy and paste login.html and remove from tag. So we replace here using register. Replace login and login box to replace login -1 and new section div section login underscore box and create a form. In this form, first of all s2 and login, similar dot login underscore input box. In input box, input type text and name email and required span email and itag, and copy and paste for password, and where using email to replace password. And now dot login underscore links anchor tag hashtag forget password and new anchor tag register and registration now. And submit button. Create input type submit, value login and name login btn. That's good. So now C2 actually worked it. Now in style.css copy for registration file where we are using animation and paste here for login style. In login style we are replace just where using register to replace login. And in login box we have to write new code. Such as weight and height. So we are replace any like as position relative weight 380 pixel and height 40 to 420 pixel, background hashtag 1cc 1c and border radius 8 pixel, overflow hidden. And copy to width and height and replace where using before and after and replace login box. And changes animate 6s and 6x and animation delay 3 seconds. In replace just login box login input box. login input box, login input box, login input box. Yeah, and register to login links, and here you login box input type submit. Yeah, that's great. Now show. Yeah, looks it awesome. But here input box full luggage 400 pixel to replace 300 pixel for center. Okay, we are find input box. Yeah, login input box and replace 300 pixel. Okay, in login from is awesome.